3 seconds. That's all it takes for the sky above Victoria Falls to explode into a wall of water so loud you'll swear your headphones just blew out. No CGI, no green screen, just Earth showing off. If that gave you goosebumps, hang tight. I've got 9 more spots that look like they were copy-pasted straight out of a dream sequence. Iguazu Falls, Argentina, Brazil, picture Niagara, then hit multiply 5 times and wrap the whole thing in jungle so green it hurts your eyes. Iguazu lines up 275 waterfalls like dominoes, and the baseline they hit is pure thunder. Fun fact, the Devil's Throat, yeah, the one that sounds like a metal band, drops 269 feet in a perfect horseshoe and keeps a rainbow on retainer 24/7. Petra, Jordan Indy's Holy Grail temple, real place. The Nabateans carved this rose-red city into the cliffs 2,000 years ago, and it's still dropping jaws. Trek the Sick Canyon, squeeze through that final crack, and boom, the treasury pops out like the movie just unpaused. Bonus cardio, 850 stone steps up to a monastery the size of a football field carved into a mountainside. Grand Prismatic Spring, USA. Yellowstone's biggest hot spring is basically a 370-foot mood ring. Neon blue center, molten orange edges, thanks to little heat-loving bacteria living their best lives nowhere else on Earth. That steam cloud? Real. The urge to poke it? Resist. Third-degree burns don't trend well. Zhangjiajie, China Avatar's floating rocks weren't CGI. They just borrowed these sandstone pillars and added fog machines. At sunrise, the mist slithers between the spires, making 3,000-foot cliffs look like they're levitating. Hop on the bay-long elevator bolted to a cliff face and feel your stomach drop. Literally. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. 4,000 square miles of salt so flat you could play pool on it. After a rainstorm, it turns into the world's biggest mirror. 2 skies, 0 boundaries. Tip: bring shades. Infinity is bright and your phone camera will melt, trying to focus on nothing. Marble Caves, Chile. On the edge of Lago. General Carrera, waves have spent 6,000 years carving marble into swirling teal chambers. Kayak between them and you'll swear you're slicing through liquid sapphire. Physics does the Photoshop work for you. Avenue of the Baobabs, Madagascar. Imagine carrots flipped upside down and blown up to skyscraper size. These 1,000-year-old baobabs line a dirt road like nature's own red carpet event. Sunset hits and, yep, your screen just became the background photo you'll never change. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. Welcome to the hottest place you can still get a signal. Neon sulfur fields, acid pools glowing toxic green, and a lava lake that's been bubbling since 1906. It's Mars with roadside Wi-Fi, bring sunscreen and a sense of adventure. Northern Lights, Iceland. Charged particles from the sun tango with Earth's magnetic field, painting the sky green, violet, and gold. The show runs from September to April, and on a quiet night you'll hear it crackle like distant fireworks. Every performance is one night only, no encores. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Textbook paradise, coral ring, 50 shades of turquoise, and overwater bungalows where stingrays glide under your glass coffee table. It's the place your laptop screensaver goes on vacation. Already pricing flights? Smash that like so the algorithm knows you want more wanderlust. While you're at it, drop a comment. Tell me which place just rocketed to the top of your bucket list. 10 spots, 1 planet, 0 excuses to stay home. Whether it's the roar of Iguazu or the hush of a mirrored salt sky, Earth keeps reminding us reality is the best special effect. Hit subscribe for more places you won't need CGI to believe. And if anyone ever says the world is boring, send them this list.